Hey everyone, Jong Uy right here. Welcome back to the Weekly Score. This is your latest update on the latest deals on plug-in, virtual instrument, and gears. So let's check out what you can score this week. Black Octopus Leviathan bundle is only $39.99 from $299. This bundle contains 3 sample libraries. The Leviathan bundle from Black Octopus is the most sought-after, sickly twisted electronic music sample packs on the market today. This Leviathan sample pack from Black Octopus set the industry standard for electronic music production and will be your secret weapon to make amazing electronic music with ease. Grab one of these while still on sale, links below. And of course, if you're looking for unusual sounds, Storm Sound Cinematic Bundle is also on sale, 75% off for only $59. Contains cinematic auto harp, perfect for creating striking moments in film and game scoring, and also includes a thigh bow, a cinematic fiddle from Far Eastern dark exotic vibe instrument. Check out the links below. And if you're looking for an ultra-transparent limiter, Signum Audio's Boot Limiter 2 is 55% off for only €29. This delivers high-fidelity, ultra-transparent true-pick brick wall limiting with streamlined and sleek user interface. An indeed must-have in your production tools. Again, check on the links below. And EA Production had a huge sale right now. Tech House Mega Pack is only $750 from $130, a 95% off. Tech House Mega Pack 1 is the best way to start a new library or stock your current library with the latest and greatest sounds of EDM producers. Tech House Mega Pack comes complete with all the tools you need to make tech music. Includes 6 of the top-selling audio sample packs that include presets, one-shots, vocal loops, construction kits, and more. Don't miss out on getting the quality you need at the price you can afford. Check on the links below from EA Production. And of course, also from EA Production, the Mutant Bundle is 92% off for only $6.90. The Mutant Delay is a host sync delay plugin with a built-in ducker, perfect for vocal processing and many other applications. You can easily replicate popular mixing technique with just one plugin and a couple of clicks, allowing you to dial the extreme delay effects while maintaining clarity of the original signal. And Mutant Reverb is a mono to stereo reverb plugin with a built-in ducker, perfect for vocals, percussion, synths, and many other applications where you need precise control of your reverb tails. It's only $6.90. Check that out. Next up, Heaviosity Damage 2 still on discount for its release a few weeks back, which we have a song demo and present playthrough. You can check that one on the links below. And if you're looking for a haunting cinematic instrument that gives you spine-chilling sounds, indeed perfect for horror thrillers, check out Mammoth Audio's Density. A library contains 1,500 one-shots, 3 playable instruments, and an inspiring array of loops, and many more. Density is now only $199, $100 off from the original price. Check on the links below. SampleLogic Animated Intelligence, the symphonic AI, an inspiring fusion of orchestral sample and synthesis driven by motion that results in intelligence, elegant, dynamic symphonic instruments. Contains 938 instruments and presets with over 13 gigabytes of content. Still on sale right now at SampleLogic.com for only $399. That's it for us for this week, so please do subscribe in this channel so that you get a notification that we have the latest deals on plugins, virtual instrument, and gears for you. And we also have the latest weekly song demo and preset playthrough, and also the weekly versus jam where we try out the different virtual instrument or plugin for guitar players like me. So we'll see you again next week.